We know that crypto altcoin season is pretty much upon us because everything is going absolutely bonkers. And we've got meme coins. Meme coin season is kind of cooled down a little bit, but unfortunately a lot of the meme coins on Solana are super high risk, and they go up fast and they go down fast. And it gets a lot harder to actually profit with meme coins. But one particular outlier we have seen this cycle are crypto stocks. And these things have been absolutely printing like crazy. And it was just reported that a really well-known big company in crypto, I believe with about $100 billion of assets under management, has filed for an IPO. And again, the name of the game in crypto, or just being in this ecosystem, is making as much money as ethically and legally as possible. And this is about catching trends early. And with crypto stocks, these are heavily regulated. So these things can't just rug like a meme coin would. So let's go and get into this big crypto company that may be going live. And as always, I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every single day. Make sure to like, drop me a comment because I do read them all, and subscribe, set alert so you get more. So most people have never heard about BITGO because it's not really a super sexy company. All they do is they just provide custody services to a lot of the top companies in crypto or very high net worth individuals. And I personally think in the near future, they're going to be helping a lot of banks kind of get into crypto to custody properly because they're also super big on security. And they do provide liquidity and that type of thing as well for a lot of different assets, just not Bitcoin. But according to routers, etc., BITGO filed a confidential S-1 for a US IPO. The IPO details were not disclosed yet. But if this actually comes to fruition, there could be an opportunity for us all to make money trading this asset. And again, not financial advice. But let's go ahead and talk about some of the other crypto stocks that have ended up doing incredibly well this last month. CIRCLE up about 4.5%, NACA 20%, SBET, which is SharpLink, 45%, and DFDV up 90%. Coinbase's coin is currently trading at $426. And these are all crypto related companies. And then you also have to remember, we have a lot of NASDAQ listed companies that are now adding crypto to their balance sheets or their treasuries. XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. And they're essentially following the Michael Saylor strategy. And you also have to remember, Michael Saylor's strategy not only has strategy, but I believe 2 or 3 other crypto-related stocks. They basically create these traditional financial instruments to acquire more Bitcoin. So moral of the story is crypto is great. It provides a lot of opportunities, but it is also important to think outside of the box because we're going to see a lot more crypto stocks essentially pop up. And I really do think that these will provide decent gains. As always, not financial advice. And thank you guys so much for watching.